Assalamualaikum YouTube viewers. The topic of today's video is gas ionization method. So in this video I am going to explain the gas ionization method for the measurement of radioactivity. So what happens in gas ionization method? In gas ionization method, when radiation passes through a gas, some of the energy is transferred to the gas molecules, which may be ionized into positive ions and electrons. Okay, so when a radiation falls on a gas, the radiation will change the gas into the positive ion along with the production of electrons. Okay, so if an electric field is applied, so then what happens next? When the electric field is applied, the positive ions that were produced due to the incoming radiation will be attracted towards cathode, whereas the negative electrons that are produced will be attracted towards the anode. Okay, so first of all you need to consider this reaction here. So as you can see here that this is the radioactive source, and the rays which are emitted from this radioactive source will fall on the gas present here inside this chamber. Okay, the rays that are being emitted by the radioactive source will fall on the gas particles that are present inside this chamber. So when these rays will interact with these particles, they will produce the ions. As you can see here, they will produce the positive ions and also release the electrons. Okay, so the positive ions will be attracted towards the cathode, whereas the negative electrons will be attracted towards the anode. Okay, so this cathode is attached through the wire to the power supply, whereas this anode is attached through the registering unit to the power supply. Okay, so moving back, the magnitude of the resulting current can be correlated. So what happens when the ions are produced? When the ions are produced here, they will be attracted towards the cathode. The positive will be attracted towards cathode and negative will be attracted towards the anode. So due to this movement of the ions, a current will be produced. And what we will do, we will measure this current. And the magnitude of this current and the magnitude of the current that is produced gives us the magnitude of the resulting current can be correlated with the amount of radiation responsible for the ionization. Okay, so we can find the amount of radiation that is responsible for the ionization by measuring the current produced due to the movement of the ions that are formed in the chamber. Okay, so now an ionization chamber is a device in which an electric field is applied just sufficient to collect all the ions and electrons. So what happens? This chamber will collect the positive particles here at cathode and negative particles here at anode. Okay, so now moving on, we have a Geiger Molar counter. Okay, so this will be explained in the next video. So do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz and thank you.